When I first met you, my love for you will always be strong and will never fade away. It will always be with you and only you. No one else in this world can make me feel like this. I swear it's only you that can make me feel like this. Without you it's like living on this earth without the sun, the sky without the stars, the ocean without the fishes. You're my everything, the reason why I wake up in the morning with a smile on my face, the reason why I work as hard as I do. At the end of the day, I know it's only you and me, baby girl. I will always be there for you, no matter what we go through. I will go through it all, just to know that you're by my side at the end of each day.